Chief Agri manufactures customized grain storage and handling solutions for small and very large operations. Our grain bins come in sizes from 18 feet to nearly 140 feet tall. Today we will follow the raw material from start to finish as we complete this bin. It has a 56-foot diameter and is 71 feet to the peak. Let's show you how it's made.
Each project is custom designed by Chief Agri's qualified engineering team before it's scheduled to hit the plant floor. The process starts with raw material. The steel comes to our plant in coils that range in various gauges and can weigh up to 15,000 pounds. We start by uncoiling the steel and feeding it into the sidewall line. The production line consists of several machines which flatten, punch, cut, and form the raw material. We use our 1,000-ton press to punch specific hole locations that will be filled with the fastening hardware when the bin is assembled on the construction site. Next, the project moves to the roll forming machine. This is a multi-stage process that uses round tooling. Progressive top and bottom rollers help create the various types of corrugated metal that are needed for the custom design. It will take 288 sidewall sheets to complete this bin. There can be as many as 12 different gauges of metal used. The heaviest material is used in the lower sections and gets lighter as you move up the bin. The 358 stiffeners needed for the vertical sections are manufactured on a smaller but very similar line. The 72 roof panels needed to cover the roof are produced on a brand new roll forming line. This system adds technology and automation that allows the production line to be operated by 1 to 2 people because no physical manipulation of the product is needed as the raw material is transformed into finished goods. If the bin is ordered with a floor, creating the floor pieces is also the same process, but again on a smaller scale. They start with steel coils, take it through a roll forming machine, then to a small punch machine and cut to the correct length. Finally, the many parts are moved to the stagers and then the shippers. To help organize the many parts, everything is color-coded and bundled in like types. In addition to the hundreds of structural pieces, it takes about 36,000 nuts and bolts in the assembly stage. The entire bin will weigh 180,000 pounds and will require 5 different Chief Carrier flatbed semi-trailers for transport. The material is fastened down and then covered to protect it from the elements and to safely make the trip to the building site. The shippers also load any additional handling or grain aeration equipment, catwalks, or whatever else is needed in the design. Chief Agri authorized dealers located all over the United States handle all the work assembling the huge structures.
Did I mention that this grain bin can hold 127,000 bushels? That, however, is just 1/10 the size of the biggest one Chief Agri sells. The biggest one can hold more than 1.3 million bushels, and that is how it's made.